Okay, so we're gonna film this street, and yeah, I kind of want to show you this apartment. It's too bad I just was filming a little bit and I lost the sometimes this goes to this mode called 360. This camera is a little bit frustrating, and sometimes I have audio problems and sometimes it flicks to 360 and then I can't do anything with 360. But I kind of want to show this street again. So we were trying to film this one, and I just want to capture these really cool balconies, and I just had this good kind of cool monologue about it. I would have show you. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. About it, I would have show you so that those balconies are kind of amazing because they have these big long ones. They can overlook all the street action and all the stuff happening. So I just wanted to capture that before we continue on, because those are amazing. There was somebody sitting out there. Sometimes I'll see couches out there. So anyways, that's right above us. That's too bad I lost that other footage. Yeah, I have this GoPro camera, GoPro 8, and it has a lot of audio problems. Then it flicks to this 360. Has a couple of major flaws that I haven't quite, that I'm not too, I don't really like the camera, basically. But I also had the GoPro 7 before. The GoPro 7 had other issues. Kind of a video shop. For $1 each. DCDs. It's unusual to see these kind of shops still. Okay. They got mahjong over there. So yeah, the park right there, there's some mahjong. Some restaurant. Okay, got some fresh fruits and vegetables over here. See if they have any strawberries or anything. Yeah, these blueberries, it's kind of amazing. They come from South Africa. So I see blueberries everywhere in Macau. They come from usually South Africa, Zimbabwe, I saw Peru. So almost always from Africa, and I saw from Peru. So I just think it's so interesting because right now it's also the COVID era, and it's impossible for foreigners to come into Macau. But somehow blueberries, like fresh blueberries, come in almost every day to all the stores all across the city. And I'm wondering, like, how do fresh blueberries from Africa come in with all these COVID restrictions that won't allow any foreigners to come in? So I always find that kind of interesting. Yeah, if you know how, I'd be curious to know the answer to that one. Yeah, we have all these COVID restrictions, so later we'll probably look at these videos in retrospect. 2021, no foreigners are allowed into Macau. If you see a foreigner here, they either have permanent residency and they have the rights to be here, or they never left. They're able to, they weren't, once you leave you can't come back if you're a foreigner. But we have mainland Chinese tourists that come in every day, large numbers of them in suitcases and things. So that's why sometimes when I see something like blueberries like that, it's kind of amazing to me, like how do they even come in? Another beautiful balcony right there too. So how do they come into the city when almost everything is shut down to the outside world? So I guess it's one of those big mysteries. So we walk a little bit further here. Pharmacy. Yeah, these are pretty busy streets along this way. More balconies like that. Beauty shop. We got a bakery coming up here too. Actually, I haven't identified the name of the street yet. It's Rua da Barca. So I have filmed in Rua da Barca other times as well. So I think what I'll do is a nice little corner piece right there. I think what I'll do is we'll just kind of capture the different angles. There's Rua da Barca. Check out these balconies too. These are nice. Kind of got this little narrow building like that. And you got another narrow building like that too. Okay. So we're gonna end this one in a minute. I'm gonna try to get by in a second. Just kind of sneak by here. We have these balconies. Actually, those look kind of cool too. Really nice balconies up there, like that. A little bit quieter street too. And we have Rua da Barca. And sometimes it's kind of cool to catch these corners like this too here. Let's go. There's a little market right here. Food restaurant. And they have a little thing right here you can eat on the street. Pretty cool. Okay. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to end it right here, and I just wanted to film and capture this corner right there. So that's Rua da Barca. Nice interesting little street, lots of activity everywhere. Rua da Barca.
Chiquinha,